Hello friends, welcome back to AV Investment. This is Aanchal, your friend and guide in your NSM 15 series research analyst. आज हम चैप्टर 4 का रिवीजन करेंगे थ्रू इट्स क्वेश्चन बैंक. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एक्टिव इन्वेस्टिंग? ऑप्शंस हैं टू अर्न अ रेट ऑफ रिटर्न अबव द ब्रॉडर एसेट क्लास, टू आइडेंटिफाई सिक्योरिटीज दैट आर प्राइस्ड अबव देयर फेयर वैल्यू, to constantly evaluate every security in the portfolio, to buy securities priced below their fair value. So the correct answer is to earn a rate of return above the broader asset class. Next question. Is it true or false that both the bottom up approach and the top down approach are components of fundamental research? The answer is true. Next, technical approach is to forecast the direction of prices through the study of patterns in historical data, price and option है direction, trend, volume, time spent. The answer is volume. Next, upon receiving information about company ABC from his friend, Mr. Ajay chose to purchase shares of the company. In contrast, Mr. Vijay, after learning the news, opted to conduct thorough research on the company, analyzing its financials, reviewing annual reports, and studying the performance of competitors of ABC before making an investment decision. On the basis of the behavior, Ajay is dash and Vijay is dash. तो आपको बताना है कि अजय क्या है और विजय क्या है. ऑप्शन है हेजर एंड इन्वेस्टर, स्पेक्यूलेटर एंड इन्वेस्टर, इन्वेस्टर एंड स्पेक्यूलेटर, स्पेक्यूलेटर एंड हेजर. तो मिस्टर अजय ने तो न्यूज़ सुनी और वो पैसे लगाने को तैयार हो गए, और विजय ने पूरी रिसर्च करी. तो ऑप्शन है स्पेक्यूलेटर एंड इन्वेस्टर. Line charts, bar charts, and candlestick chart assist chartists in identifying trend, reversal of trends, trigger of buying or selling a stock, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question. Does the efficient market hypothesis assert that stock prices cannot incorporate all relevant information? True or false? The answer is false. What is the level called from where price tends to find some hold as it is going down? Technical level, support level, resistance, or any of the options? The correct answer is support level. There is a news about the ABC Auto Company planning to enhance its production capacity for electric vehicles in the country. A research analyst strongly advises purchasing the stock. What approach has the research analyst employed in providing this recommendation? Technical, top down, bottom up, both top down or bottom up? The correct answer is bottom up approach. Next question. Which of the following statements accurately describe a limitation of the quantitative approach to fundamental analysis? Options are the quantitative approach is not suitable for analyzing the economy. Effectiveness of the quantitative analysis in forecasting the future is constrained by change in accounting standards, business structure, and regulations. Investing is an intuitive art and minimum opportunities for quantitative analysis, none of the above. So the correct answer is effectiveness of quantitative analysis in forecasting the future is constrained. अगर कोई भी अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड चेंज करता है बिजनेस या कोई रेगुलेशन चेंज है तो उसकी क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस डेफिनेटली चेंज हो जाएगी. So this is the limitation. Next, in technical analysis, the influence of day-to-day price fluctuations is neutralized by which of the following factors? Extending the time period of price charts, employing moving average, incorporation liquidity parameters alongside prices, none of the options. The correct answer is employing moving averages. The duration during which price and volumes are observed in a consideration in the influence of long-term factors on price over the time. True or false? The answer is true. Next, fundamental analysis encompasses which of the following? Industry analysis, economic analysis, company analysis, or all of the above? The answer is all of the above. Speculation is dash calls made with the leverage funds, unlike investing money, which is dash disciplined activity for creating wealth. Long term, medium term, short term, long term, long term, short term, long term, long term. The correct answer is short term, long term. Speculation is always a short term activity, but investing is a long term activity. Next, what is the thinking behind proponents of this philosophy? Options हैं market participants are always rational, Next, fear and greed have no impact on security prices. Investment decisions should be based on luck. Security prices always reflect their fair value. So the answer is security prices always reflect their fair values. Next question, why do security prices go away from their fair values? Options हैं random fluctuations, fear and greed of market participants, market manipulation or government intervention. The correct answer is fear and greed of participants वो ही सिक्योरिटीज़ के प्राइसेस को उसकी फेयर वैल्यू से दूर ले जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट कैन इन्फ्लुएंस इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन? हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन को क्या क्या इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है? पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स, लक, it adjusts the predicted price change from duration to reflect curvature, या behavioral biases. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज behavioral biases ही हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन को अफेक्ट कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what should investment decision be based on? Options हैं flipping a coin, random guessing, availability of comparable information, listening to friends advice. The correct answer is availability of comparable information. Next question, what makes past data less useful to be compared with present market conditions in fundamental analysis? Options हैं technical analysis, changing accounting standards and business models, regression of historical data, quantitative and qualitative studies. The correct answer is changes in accounting standards and business models. Next question, what is a major limitation of applying a pure economic approach in fundamental analysis? Options हैं extrapolating future earnings, reading charts, studying the relationship between price moves and volume, availability of comparable information. So the correct answer is availability of comparable information. Next question, which aspect of fundamental analysis focuses on companies management and governance? Options are company analysis, industry analysis, market analysis or economic analysis. The correct answer is company analysis. Next, what does fundamental analysis involve studying? Options are companies marketing strategies, companies stock price, companies competitors, companies financial position. The answer is companies financial position. Next question, when is an investment opportunity considered attractive in fundamental analysis? Options are when the market price is above the fair value, when the market price is below the fair value, when the market price is equal to the fair value, or when the market price is irrelevant. The correct answer is when the market price is below the fair value, then only the investment opportunity is attractive in fundamental analysis. Next question, what is the difference between insider information and mosaic analysis? सबको पता है insider information क्या होती है और mosaic है, तो आपको उसका डिफरेंस बताना है. ऑप्शंस हैं insider information is material non-public information, while mosaic analysis involves collating information from different sources. Next, insider information is reliable and certain, while mosaic analysis is based on public information. Third, insider information involves visiting the company's facilities, while mosaic analysis involves speaking to industry experts. Insider information is obtained from annual reports, while mosaic analysis involves performing secondary research. So the correct answer is insider information is material and non-public information, while mosaic analysis involves collating information from different sources. Next question, why is it important for a fundamental research analyst to conduct research on the economy, industry and company? Options हैं to obtain through insights into the company's business and profitability, to track action taken by the competitors, to visit the company facilities to collect insider information. So the correct answer is to obtain thorough insights into the company's business and profitability. Next question, what is the main strategy followed in passive investing? Options हैं buying and selling individual securities based on analyst, investing in a broad set of securities that represents the asset class, identifying securities that are priced below their fair value, constant evaluation of every security in the investment portfolio. So the correct answer is investing in a broad set of securities that present the asset class. Thank you so much. That's all for the today. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब इट सो दैट आपको NISM से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, RA से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस इजीली मिल सकें. थैंक यू सो मच.